Civil service exam reviewer. Vocabulary. Can you get 10 out of 10? The negotiator handled the hostile interview with impressive blank, refusing to react emotionally to provocative questions. A. Volatility. B. Composure. C. Resentment. D. Impulse. The correct answer is letter B. Composure. Composure means calm self-control, especially in difficult situations. The scientist's theory was initially dismissed, but later evidence helped blank her claims. A. Undermine. B. Validate. C. Conceal. D. Distort. The correct answer is letter B. Validate. Validate means to confirm or prove something is true or acceptable. His apology sounded sincere, but many employees remained blank about his intentions. A. Skeptical. B. Indifferent. C. Obedient. D. Optimistic. The correct answer is letter A. Skeptical. Skeptical means doubtful or unconvinced. The manager gave a remarkably blank explanation that clarified even the most technical details. A. Obscure. B. Concise. C. Chaotic. D. Rigid. The correct answer is letter B. Concise. Concise means brief but clear and effective. Despite repeated setbacks, the athlete remained remarkably blank and continued training. A. Resilient. B. Fragile. C. Passive. D. Hesitant. The correct answer is letter A. Resilient. Resilient means able to recover quickly from difficulties. The professor's comments were so blank that students struggled to determine his actual opinion. A. Transparent. B. Ambiguous. C. Logical. D. Direct. The correct answer is letter B. Ambiguous. Ambiguous means open to more than one interpretation. Unclear. Her leadership style encourages employees to be blank rather than waiting for instructions. A. Reactive. B. Compliant. C. Proactive. D. Reluctant. The correct answer is letter C. Proactive. Proactive means taking initiative and acting in advance. The documentary provides a blank account of the economic crisis without exaggeration or bias. A. Objective. B. Sentimental. C. Exaggerated. D. Superficial. The correct answer is letter A. Objective. Objective means unbiased and based on facts. The startup gained attention because of its blank approach to solving everyday problems. A. Conventional. B. Innovative. C. Cautious. D. Temporary. The correct answer is letter B. Innovative. Innovative means introducing new and creative ideas. The lawyer's argument was so blank that even the opposing side struggled to refute it. A. Compelling. B. Vague. C. Careless. D. Inconsistent. The correct answer is letter A. Compelling. Compelling means very convincing or persuasive. What is your score?